If you're watching this video, that means there's a good chance you've heard about digital marketing before, but you're not quite sure exactly what it is. Digital marketing, also known as online marketing, is just promoting brands and products and connecting them with potential customers. Now, you can use digital marketing to sell your own products or services, but did you know there's a lot of companies out there that'll actually pay you every time you send them a customer? Seriously, about 80% of brands will pay you every time you refer a customer to buy a product from their website. And learning a high income skill like digital marketing is a great way for anybody to create another source of income. Some people do it as a side hustle, while others are earning a full-time income with digital marketing. Just think about your favorite influencers. Whenever they're promoting a product, they give you a discount code that you can use if you buy that product. Now that is digital marketing. But you don't have to be an influencer with millions of followers in order to start earning with digital marketing. Now, if this is the first time that you're seeing me, my name is Benjamin and I help blue-collar workers create another source of income online with digital marketing without having a huge following. So if you want to learn how you can start earning with digital marketing, make sure to follow me and also leave a comment.